What's up, mother flippers? I am the worst at keeping up with this stuff. This is difficult. I lost the GoPro when I was out riding on Saturday at Nelson Hills, unfortunately. And I don't know what was on that SD card. I haven't figured that out yet. But I had bought a TTR, a Yamaha PW80. And the idea was to see how many flips till I can turn it into a street bike. And we don't have a PW80 in here anymore. We had some other stuff happen, but we'll have to figure out if I lost the footage for the PW80. But we got some new bikes. I'm going to go over this stuff. And yeah, man, it's really hard keeping up with all this stuff. I definitely give all these other YouTubers a lot of credit for doing this. This is tough. We had the $325 Yamaha PW80. That was a 2004. I didn't have a title, but it was really clean. I changed the spark plug. I changed the oil, the spark plug, the air filter, put a new chain on it, and the rear tire had a flat. And I actually had a new tube in my thing of parts. So I was able to fix that, and I deleted the oil injection. I should have made a separate video on that, but if anybody's ever got any questions, it's really easy to delete it. You don't have to buy any parts. I could, you can send me a message. I can talk you through that. But so I had that PW80, paid $325. I put like $40 into it, and then and cleaned it up. And then I had posted it for $13.50. That's plenty of negotiating room. I would have took $1,000. I get impatient sometimes. Right now it's middle of January, kind of a hard time to sell stuff. Everybody has spent their money on Christmas, this and that, but tax return season's coming up. But anyways, that PW80, I had a couple of people, giving some lowball offers, but then there was this, this is a 2017. All right, so over here we got this 2017 Z125 Pro Kawasaki. It's got a clean title and 1,200 miles. Yeah, 1,287. And this thing, it's in really good shape. It's all stock, hasn't been messed with. The only thing it's missing is the rear fender with the blinkers and the plate holder that everybody always takes off. I actually have the rear fender from a 2015 Ninja 300. So the blinkers and the license plate lamp are the same. So I ordered the tiny tail license plate bracket. And then I have the lights to put in it. So it will look all factory. That's not going to cost me any money. That was some extra parts I had. And I ordered an oil filter. I'm going to change the oil and then just check it over. But this thing, it runs mint, starts right up. This is a good bike. So I traded the PW80 and I gave the kid, actually at first he wanted $2,500 and he said it, and then it also said he was open to trades. So I asked him if he wanted to trade for this 2003 XT225 that only has 275 miles on it. And I sent him that. I said, you'd have to give me $500 and this bike, and I would have gave him this one over here. So he said he didn't want to do that. He's like, no, I'm really looking for a pit bike or cash. And then I said, hey, if you're looking for a pit bike, I have the PW80. I know I have pictures of it at least if I lost the footage, but so he said, yeah, I'm interested. So he said, I'll take the PW80 and $1,200 for this Z125, and I was like, all right, I got like let's just say $375 into the PW80, and then another $1,200, so $1,575 for this thing, and I should be able to get the $2,500. So it would be like I made a little money off this, and I sold the PW80. This is a lot easier to sell than the PW80. So sometimes if you could do a little trade with a little cash to get something better, it could work out. So when I sell this, this will work out for the PW80 and this. This would be an easy sell. And then, so I bought this. I traded this the other night. What was that? What's today? Today's Monday. So that was Sunday night I traded for this. And then this morning I bought this. This is a 2013 KLX140L. It has you know, E-start, manual clutch, good tires, good chain, aluminum skid plate. It's got the hand guards, clean title. This is another good bike, nice clean bike. And the bonus to this one is they installed a Recluse auto clutch on this already. So this is a super easy bike for anybody to ride. Anybody could ride. This is a nice bike. And this one I didn't even haggle with the guy on this price. He's actually $1,000, man. This is a good price for that, $1,000. I should definitely be able to at least double my money, and all I did was power wash this thing. I power washed it. Oh, and I'm gonna take, like, the guy was from out of state, so I'm gonna take these decals off and stuff. But other than that, this was a score. This is an easy bike. This is something you can ride as much as you want and then sell it and still make a couple bucks. It's easy 500, should get 1,000. You get the right buyer, this bike might even be worth, you know, almost up to 2,500. So, pretty good 2 days. You know, we had this out the other day. We went out riding, and then we've been working on this too. I still got some parts I want to put on this. It's been cold over here in Vegas though. Like today it was like in the 50s and maybe even a little cold in the high 40s with the wind whipping. Wasn't a good riding day, but yeah. So we're trying. These two I know I'll get rid of soon, and this one I've been sitting on a little bit. It's got such low miles that I want to get good money for it. I don't want to give this one away. This is a good bike just to sit around for my friends come to visit. They can ride this on the trails or in town. I got this registered and insured, you know, so I can ride this whenever. But yeah, gotta keep busy, gotta keep flipping stuff around, you know. I need some more room in this garage, but yeah, this week it's all Cowies. Cowie green. Green like the money I want to make. This is perfect, but I'll keep you guys updated. I'll make a little video about putting this tidy tail kit on and maybe changing the oil. I'm sure there's a ton of videos of changing the oil, but maybe I'll make another video of just taking this thing out riding. I don't know. We'll do something. Something. I know I got some more. Oh, actually, no, I don't. I was out Saturday and I lost the GoPro on this. I had it on the rear fender here, trying to do something different. And riding. And I turned around, I didn't even. Thing was gone. I put a new tire on this thing too. Got a good deal on tires on OfferUp. I'm always looking, balling on a budget. That's what I should have named the channel. But, alright guys, I'll update you guys with the next thing we got going on, and that's it for now. Take it easy.